Ballistic particle manufacturing. Introduction. BPM was invented by Bill Masters. BPM was patented in 1987. Masters founded Perception System Inc. In 1992, their name was changed to BPM Technology Inc. BPM. Bill Master first described BPM as a split wide projectile consisting of a small piece of material. While you shoot lots of weight, they begin to take shape, and if you can control the direction of weights and the motion of device that shoots them, you can produce any desired shape. Ballistic particle manufacturing system uses piezo-driven inkjet mechanism to shoot droplet of molten material which get cold welded together on a previously deposited layer. A layer is created by moving that droplet nozzles in XY direction. After a layer is formed, the base plate is lowered by a specified distance and new layer is created on top of the previous one. Working in in order to have a continuous stream of material exiting nodal, a set of piezoelectric are designed and based on pressure excites the nozzle sensor and ensure that there is a flow of material. Material can be applied as droplet when the deposition material faces the cold substrate. The semi-solid form changes to solid quickly, and some extent the material is welded to the previous layer. On other side, an electric field is utilized to guide the droplet or flow of material into the desired location and form the needed design and geometry. The the process resembles inkjet, but with the difference that it is a 3D process and it is controlled by a computer processing unit. BPM can be conducted in protected atmosphere that release high geometrical accuracy and surface quality with no further need to post process and fabricated parts. Ejector head has multi-axis control to aim droplet stream. Droplet of molten material build platform moves in Y direction and ejector head moves in X direction. Advantage of BPM: require minimal post processing, low toxicity, minimum power consumption, low cost of material. BPM has no size constraint. The process allow use of any thermoplastic. Because of this, there is no health hazard involved. Disadvantage of BPM: ballistic particle manufacturing. Parts produce lack of strength and durability.